You get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Hey, buddy. You need to get 100 kids if you can't take heat. You need to get up out the streets if you can't take the heat. You get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. You need to get up out the streets if you can't take the heat. You need to get up out the streets if you can't take the heat. They get cold like Minnesota. They get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Need to stay up out the heat if you can take the heat. Need to stay up out the streets if you can take the heat. You get cold like Minnesota. You a trip, how you be tripping on a trip, you be listening to trip. Keep it real, you been knowing me since I was little. You ain't even take me serious, man. That's why a nigga feel like you a trip. Yo, you sound like the guy from Good Burger with dreads. Yo, just seeing text. Phone was in the car, man. Right now, okay. We need to stay up out the streets if we can take the heat. We need to stay up out the streets if we can take the heat. That boy, cause it get cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Cold like Minnesota. Little trouble up where your little beanie head at. Little trouble with beanie head. Parle créole pour qui ça veut me parler créole? Quand tu connais ça ici, pour qui ça? You want like California? You crazy. One little story about weed, we can tell. When the album dropping. Y'all know how to fuck the best boy and shit in front of my crib. So I don't smoke. What's that? Orange soda. And it then wet. It's getting cold like Minnesota. I'm drinking orange soda. Yeah, y'all won the 2K game. I spent shit.